October 14th, 2020, Fluency. All right, so number 1, which of the following best describes the answer to this given multiplication problem? So it looks like we're going to have to solve this problem. Now, when we're adding or subtracting decimals, we have to line them up. But what about when we're multiplying or dividing? Nope, we don't need to line them up. So 3 1/10 times 4 2/10. So we're going to have this 3 1/10. So it's 3.1 times 4 2/10 times 4.2. In this case, the decimals do line up. Does not mean we're dropping it down because we can only drop it down low for the easy addition and subtraction. Alrighty. I mean, this is easy too, duh, but like we need to, the more simple times. All right, let's see. 1 times 1. That's going to be 1. Oh my goodness, why am I doing that? This 1 is not a 1, it's 4 2/10. My bad. All right, so 2 times 1. Well, I know 2 times 1 is 2. We're going to ignore the decimals and do it later. 2 times 3. I know that's 6. Now, I'm done with this too, so I'm going to put a kind of slash on there because I know I'm done with that too. Now I need to move over a place value. When we move over a place value, we need to put our placeholder of 0. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3, I know that's 12. 4, 8, 12, yeah. Now we have here, I'm going to move our little banana man over here. Okay, so now we have 1,240 down here, 62. What are we going to do with these numbers? Add them, add them, add them. We're going to add them up. All right, 2 plus 0 is going to be 2. 6 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm going to carry that 1 and drop that 0. How about 1 plus 2? It's going to be 3. How about 0 plus 1? Well, that's going to be 1. So is that my answer, 1,302? No. Why not? Well, we didn't add in the decimals yet. So our decimals, if we start up here, how many place values does it go in? It goes in 1, and then down in here it goes 1 again. So that would be 2 times total. So since there are 2 spaces after these decimals, we are going to move 2 spaces in from the right side. So 1 and 2. So our answer is going to be 13 2/100. Now, let's take a look at these options, these answer choices. A says the product, so when we multiply, that's the answer, the product, is less than 12. Is the 13 2/100 less than 12? No, 13 is bigger, right? How about it says the product is greater or bigger than 15? No, it's not 15 yet. The product is equal to 12? Does it equal 12? No. How about the product is less than 15? 13 less than 15? Oh, thank goodness, I was getting worried. So our answer is going to be D. Great job.